Oh, hey there. So, I was just wandering around the house, you know, doing my thing. When I saw this magical fountain of water coming out of the sink, I thought, oh boy, that looks refreshing. Hey human, can you turn on the sink for me? I'm feeling pretty parched over here. So I went up to the sink and, well, let's just say it didn't go as planned. Turns out, that's not where you get your water from, at least this time. Who knew? But then, this nice human took me this other tap that had the good stuff. Oh, you want me to drink from this other tap? Okay, I'll give it a try. Wow, that hit the spot. So I'm happily lapping away, feeling like a queen, when I suddenly remember, I have my very own water bucket. Can you believe it? Huh? Silly me. But you know what they say, third time's a charm, right? So here I am, looking all cute and innocent, trying to charm my way into getting a drink straight from the tap. Hey, a girl's gotta have options. Stay hydrated.